This ginger kitten is currently buffering while trying to figure out how paws actually work. This tiny fluffball goes from a mysterious cloud to a screaming potato, then back to questioning every single life choice in under 12 seconds flat.
No. Honey, no. No. No.
This tiny fluffy cloud is definitely a professional dancer or just a very aggressive high fiber in feline form. From huge yawns to sweet-nosed boops, this calico queen rules the bed. Life is exhausting when you are this cute.
I need your love, I need your time. When everything's wrong, you make it right. I feel so high, I come alive. I need to be free with you.
This feline friend clearly believes that personal space is a myth invented by humans to avoid constant service. In the first shot, the entitlement is high. By the third, we have reached peak comfort on that leopard print throne. Who knew a tuxedo cat would have such expensive taste in bedding? If you are not scratching behind those ears exactly as prescribed, you are basically failing at life. Witnessing the absolute peak of feline architectural failure reminds us that cats are actually a liquid substance disguised in a thin layer of fur and pure audacity. We begin our journey with the symmetrical ginger loaf, who clearly thinks he is a sacred Egyptian artifact resting in a museum of naps. Then we transition to the silver tabby, who has seemingly folded himself into a fourth dimension just to fit into a bowl that was definitely too small to begin with. The orange tabby hanging off the red crate proves that gravity is merely a suggestion, while the white gymnast on the exercise bike shows more commitment to fitness than I have shown in a decade. Finally, we see the faceplant of total exhaustion. He may be small, but this distinguished gentleman is serving absolute looks today. From a side eye that could freeze time to a blissful mid-blink sneeze, his range is truly unmatched. Watch out, world.
간식. 거짓말 치지 말라.
맛있어? 아가, 먹고 가. 엄마 간다. 밑에 살이 있으니까 하루도 먹고.
Your ginger cat has officially malfunctioned and entered maximum relaxation mode. It started with a peaceful belly-up snooze but quickly devolved into a blurry whirlwind of chaotic energy. 1 second he is a serene master of naps, and the next he is spinning like a fuzzy orange tornado. Clearly, his single shared brain cell just lost its signal.
Jadi tidur kita lihat nggak sampai geletak dia, malah geletak sambil jilatin, enak nggak? Si manis, badannya kecil, sampai tiduran.
Welcome to the ultimate kitten chaos, where focus is a myth and gravity is merely a suggestion. In the first frame, we witness a synchronized lack of coordination as 4 fluffballs attempt to track 2 different toys simultaneously. By the middle act, the gray donut bed becomes a base of operations for a very confused tabby, while another kitten decides the ceiling is much more interesting than the feathery wand. It is a masterpiece of feline distraction. Finally,
I just found out there's an actual clinical name for what you call it when you can't sleep at night and you just eat instead. It's called insomnom.
behold the apex predator in its natural habitat, calculating every strike with lethal precision. Just kidding, this tiny potato is clearly buffering and has absolutely no idea where that pink stick went.
Aber dadurch, dass ich so auf seinen Kuchen mache, lässt er mich auch an sich ran und er merkt auch, dass ich für eine Person bin und aus diesem Grund öffnet er sich auch mir gegenüber, was ich wirklich toll finde. Ich mag ihn wirklich gern. Wow!
Oh, das sieht cool aus. Schwitzig nur Wasser. Jetzt sehen das über die Nippel an. Das ist auf jeden Fall ein extrem.
This cat started with a dramatic floor performance that would make any Oscar winner jealous. 1 minute it is a tragic puddle of fur and blue fabric, the next it is sprinting away like it forgot the stove was on. The breakfast service is incredibly slow and the waiter insists on head scratches between every single bite of my premium gourmet salmon flakes.
¿Por qué te pones con la cara al revés? Hola, guapo. Está lavando. Son muy mameros.
Totally fine. I don't know why it's coming out all loud and squeaky, because really, I'm fine.
This stylish feline is definitely judging your fashion choices while plotting a dramatic escape. Clearly, the chain is just a suggestion for a cat this sophisticated. Give me treats or prepare for total chaos.
Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass.
Này.
Behold the ultimate master of the snooze, currently recharging its tiny chaos engine on a fluffy cloud. This majestic beast has officially resigned from all adulting duties to pursue a full-time career in napping.
Of all the magic places in the world I've been to. I'm coming home to you. The streets so many times. Blindfold, no more. I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why. I'm always feeling homesick.